Everyone, today is the day 21 of our challenge, and today we are going to talk about the future of a sustainable construction. So, as we can see that the government and the private companies are providing the sustainability, or their main is the do work sustainable construction in their countries or their region, because the sustainable construction means without impacting the environment, constructing, designing, planning and maintaining a structure. So there is a huge need of this thing, because the as we can see that there is a rapid urbanization going on. There is a huge climate changes are going on the earth, and we need to we can reduce these things by uh, adapting the sustainable construction. So construction is the main reason, main responsible for the carbon emission. We can reduce the carbon emission by adapting new technology or new materials which produce the less carbon. So with the help of such things we can reduce the carbon emission. And to adapt the sustainability in construction, there are a lot of techniques that the governments and the private sectors are implementing, like promoting the uh, green buildings. Then most of the buildings in the smart cities are totally relies on the renewable energy, and they produce their electricity on their own. Then recycle of water and the reuse of water, the use of sanitary water. So these are the techniques that are implementing to achieve this sustainability in the smart cities. And there is a huge scope for this sustainable construction in the future. Like many construction companies which provide these services, and they produce the materials required for the constructions. Like let's take the example of the JSW Steel. What they actually do is they whenever uh, they introduce the green steel. So that actually help to increase the carbon credits, and that actually reduce the carbon emission. So many the private sector and the governments are promoting the sustainability. That's why they are providing the IGBC rating. That so this IGBC ratings are given to those only who follows the or they who fulfill the sustainable criteria which is required to get this rating. So as we can see, there is a huge scope for this sustainable construction to because sustainable construction can reduce the production cost, and also it also teach the how to survive on the how to rely, or how to use the renewable energy. So once we adapt the sustainability, then there is a huge chances, no, not the chances, that I'm sure that there the maintenance cost will be less, then production cost will be there, then projects cost also will be less. The nowadays we can see that there is a, let's take an example of this Nikmar building. A few years ago, that the Nikmar's this whole building was totally relied on the government's electricity, and that's why they have to pay a lot of bill for this 4 to 5 building. As we can see that the hostel lights are always on, students are always their fans are always turned on. So mm, it requires electricity, and that's why the college has been paid paid a lot of bill. Maybe someone told me that in the college is paying around 50 to 60 lakhs per year, sorry, 22 to 24 on electricity. So now we can see that the after the adapting the solar system on the, we can see that the everyone on every building now the solar system installed. So now we are producing the uh, what now we are producing the our own electricity, and we reduce the light bill from we produce around 60% of the total of the total electricity on our own. So we say that we now don't have to pay the bill. So this is one perspective. And the as we can also see that the we to hot water we use the solar. So then instead of using the geysers or the uh, other things, we use the solar. So that's how we can promote the green buildings, no right buildings. And that's so whole world is now focusing only on the sustainability to maintain the environment clean, to uh, give a better life to the future generation, or to live a comfortable life without any diseases, to save the cost, or to live a better life. The government, private sector, and everyone is focusing on the sustainability, and that's why there is a huge scope for the sustainable construction in the future. Thank you.